Hello and welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, you will learn about token in AI. I am Bishworaj Poudel. I am here to help you to learn about token with practical example. Okay, so let's first discuss about token. What is token? Token is a small pieces of text that AI used to understand and generate language. Okay, in AI, especially language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok, DeepSeek, token is a small pieces of text that AI used to understand and generate language. Okay, and I will show you one practical example. Here is one sentence: I love AI. Okay, here are 4 tokens. Number 1 is I, this is one token. Love, this is another token. AI, this is another token, and full stop, that is another token. You can go to this website. Okay, this is OpenAI tokenizer. You can go to this website to check how many tokens are there. Okay, you can just paste some text or sentence or paragraph. It is your wish. Okay, I say I love AI and full stop. Okay, here you can see here are 10 character and 4 tokens. Okay, you can also try other words like I will say tokenizer. Here this is one word tokenizer, but here you can say token is one token and this izer is another token. Okay, one's word can be of multiple token, and I say I want to go to home. Okay, here are 7 tokens. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and full stop 7. Okay, you can paste your prompt here or paste your output here to check number of token, number of input token. This is when you write something to ChatGPT or any other LLM, that is called input token, and when you get response, that is called output token. There is something called cache token as well. Okay, this is all about token. You can check how many tokens in any sentence. Okay, you can check from here. Okay, now why tokens matter? AI models like ChatGPT don't process full sentence directly. It understand by token. Okay, here you can see here are token ID. This basically this it understand by this token, and they break into tokens and handle one token at a time. Okay, this is how ChatGPT or many other LLM read and write. Okay, what can be token? A whole word hello. Okay, if I say hello, this is one token. Okay, and a part of word. If I say unbelievable, let's see, unbelievable, here are 3 tokens. Okay, here you can see, and if I say full stop, then this is one token. If I type exclamation, then here are still 4 token. Okay, if I only type exclamation, let's see what will happen. Here 1 token. Okay, space also sometimes. I say hello. If here is space, then 1 token automatically added. Okay, hello, how are you? Okay, here are 4 tokens. You can see. Okay, in summary, token is a small chunk of text like a word or part of a word that AI models use to understand and generate language. Okay, and there are different types of token. Basically 3 general type of token. One is input token. When you write something to ChatGPT or you created one application that interact with AI API, then you are passing token. Okay, you are just passing prompt, but that prompt is calculated to token and transferred as a token. Okay, that is input token. And there is another token called cash token. This is already this is stored in a stored as a cash to provide you a cost-effective solution. Okay, this is cash token. If you want different video on this cash token, then you can comment down below. And output token is when you input something, then it will give you response. That response is output token. Okay, and here is one interesting question, that is token pricing question. Okay, here is one problem. Okay, if 1 million token cost $0.15 for input, okay, this is for input, and 0.60 for output. If you see OpenAI pricing, okay, here you can see, okay, O3 mini. Okay, let's use the very cheap model. Okay, O3 mini. Okay, GPT-4 mini. Okay, let's choose GPT-4 mini. Here input token price is $0.15 per million token. Okay, and cash input is 0.075. It is very cheap, and output token price is 0.60. Okay, let's suppose you are creating one application, that is this essay generator app. Okay, enter a prompt to create essay, and in prompt if you write an essay about AI. Okay, and this is the input. Okay, I will just paste it, and here you can see there are 6 tokens in input, and this is output. Okay, I'll just copy all and paste it here. Here are 211 tokens as output. Okay, this is the thing. And here is one question: if 1 million token costs 0.15 for input and 0.60 for output, and 300 word essay, okay, it will generate 300 word essay. Okay, here you can see it. If I click on submit, it will generate 300 word essay, and 300 word essay uses are 300 tokens. Let's suppose this. Okay, and for essay plus 10 token for input prompting. Okay, for input when we calculated it, here is okay, I'll say Control Z, 6 token, but let's suppose 10 token. Okay, for input there is 10 token, for output there is 300 token, and pricing is this one. Okay, this one is pricing. Okay, we are not using cash input here, just using input and output token. Let's find out the in $1 how many essay we can create. Let's find out. Okay, in input token, here you can see cost per million token is $0.15. Token use is 10, so we are multiplying by 10 into 0.15 divided by 1 million, that is 0.12345 40 and 15. Okay, and for output token, here is cost is 0.60, and we are using 300 tokens. Okay, and the cost is 300 into 0.60 divided by 1 million. Okay, that is 0.00018. Okay, now we are calculating total cost per essay. Okay, total cost per essay is input token plus output token, that is 0.0001815. Okay, and number of essay for $1. Okay, that is 1 divided by 0.0001815, that is equal to 5509.64. So in $1 you can generate approximately 5509 essays. This is not exact but approximate. I hope now you will be able to calculate the price, and this is very interesting. If you have any question regarding token, then comment down below. I would love to hear your course, and if you want to learn AI, then you can download Learn AI application. You can learn different AI concept. You can give exam and you can get your certificate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.